Hello guys, in this video I'll discuss how to make a stick header like this. So as you can see, this is the stick header. So I will explain two steps. First step, I will input the ready-made template, and second step I will make A to Z process. So let's get started. So first of all, I am going to dashboard. As you can see, this is my WordPress website dashboard. This process I will use the Elementor face builder. So it's totally free, no need paid plugin. It's totally free plugin using this process. So first of all, I'm going to WordPress plugin. So just we need to Elementor kit plugin, Elementor and Elementor kit. It's totally free plugin, not a paid. Before the video, before make the video, I will create the sum page. Already I will create the menu. It's very simple process. I think you can do that. So Elementor kits Lite. Okay, already I will install here. Look at this. This is the Elementor and this is the Elementor kit. And then I am going to Elementor kit option. Just click here. When you come here, first of all we need to something setting here. So already I am done. And then I am going to header. Again I will repeat, no need paid plugin, just I will using free, everything is free. So just I will click here at header. So header and footer both here. Look at this. So just type title header by something like that, as you wish. It's required. Just type switch button on and then save. And then edit content. Just wait few seconds. Almost completed, and just click here edit content. So redirect, go to WordPress Elementor edit dashboard. So this is the target design. So first of all, I will explain a file input. It's very easy. So already I will share the link in the video description. Please check. Just click here and upload your download file. Select this one. Just click here. Continue. Can enable. Look at this. This is the working here. Just insert. It's very simple process. If you want to like this, I think you get the file after put here. Already finish everything, just something modify. Okay, I will publish. I'm doing the publish and I'm going to site domain. So look at this, just few seconds. Look at this, this completed. Am I right? Okay, and again I will explain two step root level. I will make everything manually. So let's get started. So look at this, no header here. So I will again make header, basic to advanced process. So just click, select structure. This header is 3 part, logo 1 part, menu 2 part, and search bar 3 part. This container I will put logo. Just click image. And I'm going to media file. Already I have the logo. Look at this. First of all, I am select the black color. So look at this. This is the black logo, and I'm going to select nav. So look at this. This widget is locked because of if you want to use this menu, must need to Elementor Pro. I will select this widget and select the menu, only one menu, this one, and make sure center. So if you want to change typography style, color style, everything is here. As you can see, change everything. So make sure I will going to root level. Again I am going to main container layout, because of we need to everything is centered. Select search icon. phone. So this is, so is it, sorry for that, just I will drag and drop. Okay, just select search, CRC search. This one I like it, insert and published, decrease here. Okay, I think it's okay, and just try some color sense and published. Maybe if I use this some border, this section border bottom, maybe, so just bottom one and like this color. Okay, so first step is done. Header top, header 1, and this header I will duplicate because we are need to two header. This header is totally I will disable using the JavaScript some code. Already I am share the video description this link, I think you got it. So this header I will coloring some HTML code. I will search HTML and anything here, just I share it here. Okay, I think you got this file, and just copy from this code and paste here. Just use this ID, make sure exactly this ID, otherwise this code is not working. Just I am edit this container again and going to advanced tab. So make sure jet index priority set here and just paste this ID. When I paste this ID already, as you can see, this header is totally disable. And I am published. Finally, I am published this file, and I am going to root domain. So look at this, just set some banner, and when I scroll, look at this stick header is fully working. So I am going to incognito without login page, then you can hold this. So look at this header is properly working here. Thank you for watching this video.